Adobe Premiere Pro CC is a powerful, feature-rich, cross-platform, non-linear editing application built for modern, file-based creative video production. Every day, hundreds of thousands of filmmakers, broadcast editors, videographers, and journalists around the world rely on Premiere Pro to create a massive array of compelling content. Powered by the 64-bit GPU-optimized Mercury playback engine, Premiere Pro is resolution independent, allowing editors to work at HD, 4K, 8K and beyond, freely mixing frame rates and video formats on the same timeline without the need for time-consuming transcoding. Extensive native media support lets creatives get to work right away, no matter which device their footage is coming from, whether it's a broadcast camera, high-end digital device shooting RAW, mobile device, action camera, DSLR or almost any other source you can think of. You can use Premiere Pro to easily assemble and finesse an edit, add audio and video effects, create titles, manipulate color and light for the perfect aesthetic, and export your finished project to any screen and any format. As part of the incredibly diverse Adobe Creative Cloud family of desktop applications, Premiere Pro integrates easily with tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and most notably After Effects, where dynamic link technology lets you seamlessly move between edit and visual effects, never needing to render until your work is complete. Integration with Adobe's creative mobile apps lets you take inspiration from wherever you are, starting your creative work on mobile and seamlessly sending it to desktop. And extensive support for interchange formats makes Premiere Pro a world-class citizen in any creative workflow. With frequent feature-bearing releases via Creative Cloud, Adobe Premiere Pro is constantly evolving, ensuring editors can stay one step ahead in a rapidly changing industry, focusing squarely on being creative and producing beautiful content.